That's it. And it's a 63 by 23 inches long, and it's 37 inches up to the waist. It's high enough. 63 and a half it says. You should choose these type of bits. Here's the pricing at your local hardware store. And this is for Diamond Max bits. They are bits that you use for porcelain tile and stonework. Here's my favorite faucet. I went and found this on sale. Because I like the colors and the fact that it matches very well with the granite. You know, it's a double. It was on sale at Home Depot. And it's a beautiful, very nicely. The details on it are gorgeous. As you can see, it's got the color of the granite in there. And I'm just in love. I'm glad I chose this. I have 2 of these for each side, and I'm gonna drill close to the wall. This is this side, so I'm gonna have to get set up so I can do the drilling, and I'm going to tape and measure so that everything is even Steven, like they say, and make sure that both sink faucets are centered and in line with the sink hole. Alright, thank you. Well, I wanted to get the true center of the sinks. So what I did was I went ahead and got the shorter side, which is the best way to do it. You want the shorter side because you want the faucets to be as close to the wall as possible so you can get your drains and water pipes in correctly, and that they're over the bin. And what I did was I got the true square by the edging of the square, and I did the same on both sides. And what that will do is give me the true center of what is in between these two. You know, so what I'm going to do is measure between these and make sure that they are the same. And then I'm going to mark the circles in them so that they are the true center. And the same thing for this side as well, over here. I'm going to do the same thing because I have found the edge of this, and I'm going to find the true center by measuring what the edge to the edge of this faucet is going to be. In this case, it looks like to the edge would be like, looks like 3 7/8. And this is a little bit more than here, so I have to move it around and find the true edge of this and move it to where it is exactly the center. Once I find that out, then I'll mark it. Alright, so now that I found that this side, which is the side that is going against the wall, is for sure, you know, 4 1/4 on each side. And then also just 4 1/4, but as well as this lip here is 2 inches from the hole. Let me make sure. Yep, 2 inches, and the same over here. So we have enough meat to drill through. Now I can start marking out the holes. Alright, very good. Okay, so I did remember to measure them out. It was like 4 1/4 on each side of it. and I'll show you the results. It turns out that you can't just use a marker on granite because it doesn't take. The granite is so smooth that it won't absorb. It's a stone, it won't absorb the marker. So you have to use something like crayon or lipstick or carpenter's crayon, which will make the marking and leave the marking there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see, I had to leave the mark on the inside of this one. And see, it's even. That's where the faucet's going to be. And the same here on this side. I've made the markings. I decided to create a separate room in order to do so because I'm working out of my own house. So in most cases you have to protect your own home. So you can't see. Okay, so from the ceiling all the way down to the floor, you'll see I have hung a curtain here so that the dust won't kick up. And I've protected the floor too from the dust as well. So I am going to be working right in there, and I will be drilling. Even though it's only 6 holes really that I'm drilling, I still decided that it was the best thing to do is to protect the home from the dust. So I'd rather do that than have to clean it up or wipe down the walls. Bits that I need. This one is the Milwaukee I got. A diamond cut is for tile and stone. So go to the tile and stone area to buy these bits. It's for porcelain, tile, and stone. And this is an auger bit. This is the one that you use to first start the hole. As you can see, the top is very small. It's retractable starter bit. That means that once the grinding starts, then it retracts. It's accurate centering, and it's no pilot hole required. That means you don't have to pre-do a pilot hole. So that is the one that I got, and it is the size of 1 1/4. So you might see that this fits the 1 1/4 bit, and here is the 1 1/4 bit that you're going to be using to cut the hole. See, I am going to have to put this into that auger bit, and it's 10x life. It's Diamond Max as well, and don't forget it's for porcelain, tile, and stone. It also is Milwaukee. Okay, so you see, now that I have gotten it started, I put them both together. You can screw this drill bit onto the auger head. Well, it looks like I have the 3rd hole to finish, so I'm going to show you what the 3rd hole is, and then I'll have to start drilling it. The 3rd hole is the one in the middle. So I have 2 of these to do.